What's up, guys? I got 4 Generations packs to open, and these in the back will be my 3 videos to follow. So let's get into it. Let's start with a Pikachu pack. If you've never opened these packs before, Generations is great. There's a Radiant collection in it, so it's basically 2 sets, and basically every pack has something good in it. Not quite, but it's pretty close. Alright, it's mostly base set. Let's see, we get a Diglett, Fighting type energy, a Doduo, a Slowpoke, a Swablu, an Evosoda trainer, a Metapod, a Caterpie reverse holo, a Meowstic, and a Gyarados. This, of course, I say that, and I don't get anything crazy in the first pack. Good figure. Alright, and the trick for this one is 3 and 3, because of that Radiant collection. Alright, Fighting type energy, Meowth, Magmar, Pikachu, Raichu, Mr. Mime, Crushing Hammer, reverse holo Snorlax, a Frostlass, which is a holo, and a Pinsir. Another Charizard pack, if I can get into it. Here we go. And these are retired, so they're about $6 a pack, but they're usually pretty cool to open. Slowpoke, Machop, Paris, Fire-type energy, Charmander, Graveler, Revitalized trainer, reverse holo Ponyta, Sylveon EX, which is one of the Radiant collection cards, and a Hitmonchan. Last pack is Blastoise. Get something else cool out of it, hopefully. And there is no code cards in this pack. Or this set, rather. Or for these sets. Alright. Let's see, we got a Ghastly, Psychic type energy, Krabby, Geodude, Fletchling, Revitalized trainer, red card, a reverse holo Pikachu, which of course everybody loves Pikachu. Ooh, a Flareon EX full art. And a Dodrio. Alright. So I got a Flareon. I got a Sylveon. Got that reverse holo Pikachu. And these are basically the hits for the pack. Thanks for watching.